Are you tired of being broke and want to grow your wealth to $1 million? You're in luck because we've got some tips to help you turn your $1,000 into $1 million. Here's how to do it. Invest in low-cost index funds. Sure, you could try to pick individual stocks, but research shows that index funds tend to perform better in the long run. According to a study by Morningstar, 88% of actively managed mutual funds underperformed their respective benchmarks over a 10-year period. So, save yourself the headache and stick to low-cost index funds like the S&P 500. Be patient and let your money grow. Compound interest is a beautiful thing. And the longer you leave your money alone, the more it will grow. According to Bankrate, if you invest $1,000 in the S&P 500 and leave it for 30 years, it could potentially turn into $19,000. That's a pretty sweet return on investment. Keep your expenses low. If you want to grow your wealth, you need to keep your expenses low. That means avoiding unnecessary expenses like eating out every night or buying the latest gadgets. According to a survey by Bankrate, the average American spends over $200 per month on non-essential expenses. If you can cut that in half and invest the savings, you'll be well on your way to millionaire status. Use the power of leverage. Leverage can be a powerful tool when used correctly. For example, you could use a margin account to borrow money to invest in stocks. However, be cautious with this strategy as it can also lead to big losses if the market turns against you. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key to reducing risk and maximizing returns. According to a study by Vanguard, diversification can potentially add 2% to your annual returns. Stay the course. Finally, it's important to stay the course and not panic when the market dips. According to a study by Fidelity, investors who sold their stocks during the 2008 financial crisis saw an average return of -2.5%, while those who stayed invested saw an average return of 2.3%. So, stay the course and trust in the power of compound interest. In conclusion, turning $1,000 into $1 million requires patience, discipline, and a bit of strategy. By following these tips and staying the course, you too can achieve millionaire status. So, what are you waiting for? Get investing.